Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na ndị obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fa na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
If the opportunity should come today, because what is constant is change. If the opportunity to betray Simon Ekpa come today, what will be your stand? Go home with this question. Thank you so much, Success, for that opportunity given. God bless you.
Thank you very much. The good guy, are you there? It's like the good guy is having issue with his mic.
He's having issues, and it's only you can solve it.
Let me remove him and bring him back. I think he's let me search for him. The good guy, are you there?
You have to bring him down first.
Okay, yes, I've seen him. Okay. The good guy, you have the microphone now. Go ahead and make your closing remarks. Please, no other person sending microphone requests. We have closed. Okay, Franklin wants to speak. I don't know. Let me accept him. Franklin, before the good guy. Franklin, go ahead. 2 minutes, please. Don't waste time.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, Franklin, I've given the mic to you. Can you go ahead and speak before the good guy?
Franklin, can you hear me? Can you speak now? Okay, he's not ready, sir.
Okay, there's no problem. And yes, good guy, please, your closing remark before Stella.
Yeah, I greet everyone. Jaja, you have really said a lot, and I want to tell you that the people that are sabotaging this Biafra right now, it's not that they are hungry. No, they are not hungry, and it's not that they are very bitter. They are very bitter that Simon Ekpa have taken because their initial, all of them that are sabotaging right now, all of them that are sabotaging this Biafra struggle.
The good guy.
Yeah.
The good. You mean, is it because it's not Abakaleke?
Forget that one. That one, me and him have. I'm normally
that is one of the reasons. And the good guy, sorry for interjecting you. You know there's something our leader said about those being poor. When you say it's not because they are hungry, there's a lot of things that hungry a man. If you're not hungry of power, you're hungry of money. If you're not hungry of money, you're hungry of fame. If you're not hungry of fame, you're hungry of recognition. So hunger comes in different forms. It's not only when you're hungry of food that you're hungry. There's a lot of hunger that are after, that people are after, or that is chasing after many people.
When you see this one that is doing like pop for South Africa. When you look at his face when he's talking, you will see the bit that he want to be in charge. He want to be in charge. And when you see these people, when they are talking, you know they are getting information from this treacherous Ejiofor. You know, Ejiofor have conditioned their mind because they know when Mazenand cannot come out, a lot of things are going to burst. A lot of things. So, and these people, they are not, as in they are bingos because they cannot reason. I don't see the reason why, upon all what is happening now, they find it difficult to realize that Ejiofor is behind keeping Onyende in detention. I don't see the reason why they failed to understand it. I don't know. I can't comprehend it. I really can't comprehend it. But nevertheless, we are moving forward. And no matter what they do, it can. I always told them in the space, no matter all their shenanigans, it will only end in that their 4 square rooms where they're using it can only end there. If they think they are man enough, let them come on ground and face the men on ground. Whatever they do, it will only end after talking, they will go and drink Pladol and sleep. They can nobody.
Now I remember. Do you know that they declared the sit at home on 24th, 25th, and 26th? I just remembered now. And they said the roof will fall in 2024 if Oyende is not released on December 15th. I just remember. I'm just remembering.
You mean the IPOP Nigerians?
Those ones. Nobody knows them. Nobody knows them. All these people trying to talk down on Simon, but nobody knows them. That is my happiness. Nobody even knows they are existing.
Do you know why I'm laughing? Do you know why I'm laughing, Success? If you watch that video of this attached seller in South Africa, that day that he was warning our prime minister, Simon, you have to stop. I'm warning you. The moment you remove that his cap, I said, I'm not condemning what you're doing. What you're doing might be right, but you have to stop. Then I asked myself, why must you want somebody that is doing something that you recognize that is doing something right? Why would you want him to stop?
Excuse me, please. Jaja, you right now we're already running up. And Maziraf, welcome, Maziraf. And one of us is listening through Anonymous. So it's here in Anonymous. Well, I'm not mentioning him.
Okay. Oh yes, the green white green people. They are from Nigeria. One of them is here.
So, Maziraf, welcome. And the topic is, why did you sabotage Biafra in the first place? I don't know. You're welcome. Over to you.
What our Prime Minister posted in Jomotron there. Our Prime Minister posted something. Look it. See what our Prime Minister posted just now.
I'm sorry. I'm just going to be listening. I'm at work. I don't miss. So anyway, let me just be listening. Thank you, Success. Thank you.
Bam, bam, bam. We salute.
Thank you. Carry on. All right. That's good. And why we put up this topic to make sure we refresh the mind of our people. Hardship will not, as the Bible says, that poverty is not going to be. Excuse me. Our PM is here. Our PM is here. Our Prime Minister is here right now. The Prime Minister of the Biafran Republic government in exile. The de facto government. Let me take some people down, please, so that PM can come in.
I've already brought him up.
Okay, here. Our PM, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
My PM, you're welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
Good afternoon.
We love you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this space. I just joined. I have been listening to this space anonymously, but I decided to come in to say one or two things. I don't know why you people are gossiping today. We have gone beyond this whole gossip. Now it is time to face our business. Our business is to begin to educate our people on what is ahead of us, not this gossip that you people are doing here today. But anyway, it is a good thing to gossip from the beginning so you can loosen up yourself. But I don't want to be distracted with those that have decided to betray. We have plan for them. Very serious plan. Let them not think that after the declaration of Biafra, life will remain the same. Never. Gradually, ejuna na leputa. When we started, we were telling them, okay, don't worry, everybody is one. We are going to settle our score. Believe me, they will see wickedness, because we are not the only people that have done it. Many countries have done it. Our own, we carry belly. So let them continue to sabotage just wait until after the declaration of the restoration of independence state of Biafra. They go see Ketoro Biati. The policy of Biafra will deal with all of them. The policy will be designed to fit those poor, ignorant idiots who have distracted the struggle, including the rich. The policy of the Biafra government will be designed in a way. Just like we have designed the application and the fee for the Biafra National Identity Card to meet international standard. It's the same way we will design the policy that will target those who have sabotaged this freedom up to this point. So please, this is not the time for gossiping. And I want to use this opportunity after this particular space today. There will be internal message, internal memo to all command. The expelled defense minister has been contacting some people on ground recently. What they do is whenever they see that something is working, they will step in, trying to cause confusion and distraction. Internal message will be sent immediately after this space. If you have that contact, block it. I will not tell you what will happen. If that contact contacts you, block it. I won't say more than this, but you are going to receive internal message. Thank you, Success. I will stop here. Please, there is no gossip from today.
Thank you, my Prime Minister.
There is no gossip from today. Focus on the Biafra Declaration, drafting of the Biafra Declaration. Like I said last night, we have professors, doctors, academicians, researchers in the cabinet of Biafra government. Like I said, if I want, I will appoint 2 or 3 persons to draft the declaration, but I want to throw it open for people to feel the sense of belonging. So what we should be focused on now is the declaration drafting. We want the declaration to reflect major 3 subgeneri, which is declaration with grievances. Every grievances of Biafra will be listed. Declaration by institutionalizing. We must list how we have formed and structured the government of Biafra to meet the international and globally accepted standard. It must reflect commitment declaration, which we have set the structure by putting up and setting up the structure for Biafra referendum, self-referendum, the collection of data, and of course, the unveiling of the Biafra forces. These are part of the commitment. These 3 subgeneri process or procedure for the declaration of independence has been met by the Biafra government. Focus on enlightening our people that this year, 2024, by the special grace of God, Biafra will be declared in Finland. And we want everyone who wants to be part of the declaration to start making arrangements of coming to Finland, unlike what we did last year, where the information came 3 months before the date, and a lot of people couldn't meet up. This time around, if we have 1,000 delegates in Finland, 1,000 delegates will append their picture or their signature on the declaration document. If we have 2,000 delegates in Finland, the 2,000 will append their signature on the declaration document. Just the way we voted for the Charter of Biafra Confederating State in Finland is the same way we are going to vote. And we're expecting that the 40 states will have their representative in Finland as well. It's very important. If we don't have all of them, those people that didn't make it will have to electronically append their signature on the declaration document. Thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, Prime Minister. And I must say, you are a man of your words. And anybody who is not afraid of you, that person is ignorant of what a man really is, or the type of man you are really are. People look at you and the way you laugh, the way you dance. So that's the only area they saw. But they are mistaken. To me, I saw a different personality, and whoever that must come with equity must come with a clean hand. Whoever that must work with Simon Ekpa must be a person of a multidimensional being. So I will thank you, sir, for your work. And we'll still thank you when Biafra is restored. And we are not here to gossip, but there are some repenting animals. They are trying to change. And that's why we're asking them, why did you sabotage Biafra at the first place? Why? So they will have to give us the answer before anything. It doesn't stop them being a Biafran. But right now, even among them, they are calling each other now a terrorist. So but that is a discussion for another day. Another day. So as you had the Prime Minister, please do apply. I'm writing my own presidential speech of the declaration to be submitted. So do your own research and make sure it is properly according to his guideline. Go and fill the form as part of those who will write the independence declaration speech. That will be very, very fine. And it will have a limited time. He said from now to 28, data might have been collected for those who are willing to be part of it. Then work goes on. So do yourself a favor to be part of this. And those of you who will be traveling from African countries to Finland, start making preparation now, so that it will not be too late for you. Start making preparation now. So Biafra will come this year. And how good and how it is that all of us will gather in this land once again to praise our Elohim Chukwuka. And above all, our leader.
Just to interrupt, sorry for interruption. And now that the number has corrected to almost 1,000 people watching, because I just jumped in. So you people can continue. I will hang on here. And I want you to understand also that the declaration that we are talking about is not that you are going to write your declaration or your research and send. No. The idea is that after the closing of the recruitment for the committee or the board for drafting the declaration, we will announce the closure, and then also announce how many people that have shown interest, and of course, how many people that have been selected. And then you are going to be having meeting virtually to discuss and start drafting the declaration. So stage by stage, after the drafting, we will meet, and I will meet with the committee, and they will present what they have drafted for the first batch, and we go through it. At the end of the day, we will bring the final draft, which is going to be what will be declared in Finland. So it is going to be a group and teamwork where everybody will be will be having input in, especially on the grievances aspect or part of the declaration is where many input will be needed. We need to have a very groundbreaking grievances, the impunity, atrocities of the Nigeria state against Biafra people from the time immemorial to this date, including when they were borrowing from China and excluded the Southeast, is one of the biggest grievances that will be listed, including the killings and genocide against our people from 2015 till date. All those killings must be well documented in the grievance listing of the Declaration of Biafra.
And by Dalon Lineno, unu si wee na-esoro anyị anyị na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị ka ụbọchị nke taa mara unu mma. Anyị sị nke ejikwara ya zero. Dịka o si dị, dịka ị nụrụ ife Biafra Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ, ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ ihe bụ Igbo midia ka anyị sikwa wee na-ewetara unu nnukwu ozi ya dị oke mkpa. Gịnị ka ị nwere ikwu gbasara maka ya bụ ife? Kabara oke drọpụra your comment, your own suggestion n'ihe ndị anyị na Biafra Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daalụ ụmụnne m.